Hello students, welcome to yet another class of maths after a short interval of time. Hope all of you are safe and okay at home. Today directly we are jumping into the following the portions of division. The first part of division we have completed and the next is methods of division. 4 different methods of divisions are given there in your book, methods of division. Let's see which are the 4 different methods of division. First one is division by drawing dots. That is the first method of doing division, that is division by drawing dots. Second one, division by grouping. Division by grouping. And the third one is division by repeated subtraction. And the last method is division by long division method. These are the 4 different methods of division. We will see one by one. Division by drawing dots, second one division by grouping, and the third one division by repeated subtraction, and the last fourth is division by long division method. Today in this video I am going to explain you the first method, that is division by drawing dots. So let's see what is that, the division by drawing dots. So here I am going to make you clear the drawing dots with the help of the one example. This number, that is your first exercise 4a, first question. Solve the following by drawing dot method. First question is 5716 divided by 2. So here the dividend is 5716 and the divisor is 2. And here we are going to understand what is the method drawing dots. We are going to do division by drawing dots. So the dividend is 5716 and the divisor 2. So let's understand. In this one dividend we have 4 digits. So ones place we have 6, 10th place 1, 100 place 7 and 1000 place we have the digit 5. So we made a box of 4 sections to represent all the digits of dividend. Okay, that is why since we have 4 digits in the dividend, I made a box with the 4 divisions. So the last place is ones place. Okay, just left side 10th, 100 and 1000 place. Why we are dividing the box into 4? Because in the dividend we have 4 digits. Suppose we have only 3 digits in the dividend, we have to make only a box having only 3 sections. Okay, that is a method or first step of making box. And the next step we have to write all the digits in the particular places. 6 I am going to write, 5 in the 1000 place, in any order you can write. 5 in the 1000 place, 7 in the 100th place, 1 in 10th place and 6 in the ones place. So this is the first step. We are writing all the place values, all the digits in the particular places, 6 in ones place, 1 in the 10th place, 7 in 100th place and 5 in the 1000 place. Oh, this is the first step. Next we are moving to the next step. Instead of writing numbers, we are going to replace the numbers with the dots. So what is the name of our method? That is division by drawing dots. That is a method. So here instead of the numbers, we are making some dots. Do you remember the number in the 1000 place? In the 1000 place we have 5. So instead of 5, you have to make 5 dots. In the 1000 place, the number was 5. We are replacing the number with the dots. Okay, that is a method, drawing dots method. Earlier the number was 5. Here instead of 5, I have written drawn 5 dots. Come to the 100th place. 100th place the number was 7. Here we are making 7 dots. 7 dots. Total 7 dots in the 100th place instead of the number 7. Then the 10th place, what is the digit in the 10th place? We have 1. So I made only 1 dot there. And in the ones place, we have the number 6 and I drawn 6 dots. So this is a second step. Instead of numbers, you have to draw dots. How many digits is there? That the same number of dots you have to make in the particular places. So 5 dots in the 1000 place, 7 dots in the 100th place, 1 dot in the 10th place and 6 dots in the 1's place. In that way we made. And the next is we have to think about the divisor. Here in our example the divisor is 2. So we are going to divide the number with 2, isn't it? So next step, you have to make these dots into a group of 2. So we are going to make small boxes. In each box there should be 2 dots. Okay, there should be 2 dots in each box. So in this way you have to make the box. Why we are making a group of 2? Because the divisor, the number in the divisor or the digit in the divisor is 2. That is why we are making a group of 2. So let's see here how to make boxes. 2 in the first box, again 2 dots in the second box. 1 dot is left there in the case of 1000 place. 1000 place you can see 2 boxes, each box having 2 dots. Why we are making a group of 2? Because the divisor is 2. That is why we are making a group of 2. And 1 is left. You can't make the box because only 1 is there. Come to the 100th place. How many boxes you can make? That is of 2 groups, 2 dots. We can make 3 boxes and 1 is left. At 1000th place, 10th place you have only 1. You can't make any box. Come to 1's place. You have 6 are there, 6 dots. So obviously you can make 3 boxes. 3 boxes, each box with 2 dots. So that step also over. We made boxes, each box contains 2 dots. 1000 place you have 1 extra dot. 100 place also you have 1 extra dot. As well as in the 10th place you have only single dot. So in the next step you can see what we can do with the left or the extra dot. Okay, in the 1000 place you have 1 extra dot there. Since we have only 1, we are shifting to the 100th place. We are shifting the extra dot from 1000 place to 100 place. Do you know 1000? 1 dot from 1000 is moving to 100th place. 1 dot is going from 1000 place to 100 place. Then what will happen to the particular dot? 1000 is equal to how many hundreds? 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. If 1 dot gets shifted to 100th place, instead of 1 in the 1000 place, in the 100th place that is equal to 10. 10 dot you have to make. 1000 is equal to 10 hundred. We are making 10 dots. Here also you have to make the box. Each box should contain 2 dots. So you got 5 more boxes in the 100 place. Already you have 3 boxes. Each one contains 2 dots. Here when we are shifting the 1 dot from 1000 place to 100 place, you got 5 more boxes. Total 8 boxes are there. Again we can see the 1 extra dot in the 100th place. You have 1 extra dot in the 100th place. We are going to shift that to the 10th place. So can you tell 100 is equal to how many tens? 100 is equal to 10 tens. 10 tens together it makes 100. So here also instead of 100 you are making 10 tens. 10 dots there. Make box of 2. You got 5 boxes there. Again 1 is left in the 10th place. That also you have to shift to 1's place. Okay. 1 extra dot in the 10th place moving to 1's. So 10 is equal to how many ones? 10 ones. So you made again 10 dots. Make boxes of 2. So making boxes and making dots, all the processes are over. Now only one thing is left, that you have to write the answer. How to write answer? See 1000 place, how many boxes you have? Write the number of boxes in each place. Okay, then you will get the answer directly. 1000 place, how many boxes you have? Do you have how many boxes? We have 2 boxes. 100th place, how many boxes do you find? You have earlier 3 boxes and again 5 more boxes in the 100 place. Total you have 8 boxes. Write the number of boxes. 10th place, how many boxes in 10th place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 boxes. 1's place, how many boxes? 3 plus 5, that is 8. So you got the answer 2858. Okay, that is your answer. So how to write the answer? Count the number of boxes in each place and write. Only that much. So your question was 5716 divided by 2. You got the answer 2858. That is a division by drawing dots. Okay, that's only for today. Thank you. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.